time using it. Woohoo! I forgot I could tilt it forward. You hang in there, little GoPro.
Bonnie new team, welcome! We've just made a bit of a discovery for you. We found this craft washed ashore. Looks like Nessie found them. We're trying to find out what's left of the tools so far on board. The log says they were heading for a cave near the edge of the loch, but you couldn't be working anywhere. So I need you to keep your eyes and ears open as the beast is in there. And it seems she's mighty hungry. Oh, wait! Okay, the message here. Says here.
Oh no, the Loch Ness monster is eating him. Woohoo! Here we go. Hold on tight, y'all. It's about to get real. Don't forget hold your head back. Woohoo! Give me a Ric Flair! Woo! Yay! Woo! Oh, here we go through the loopy, loopy, loopy. Woohoo! My thing feels like it's gotten a little faster. Oh, that's fun. It never gets old. I'm just getting too old for it, unfortunately. Lose your hair? You better hold on.